In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new group in Notion. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just want to keep your tasks organized, creating groups can be a real game changer. With Notion's flexible interface, you'll find that adding groups is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started by navigating to Notion. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're in, you should see your workspace with various pages you might have already created. If Notion is new to you, don't worry. The interface is user-friendly, and you'll soon see how intuitive it is to use. Now that you're on your Notion dashboard, let's focus on finding the settings. If you look at the top or side of your screen, there generally is an icon, often looking like a gear, labeled as Settings. Go ahead and click on that to open the Settings menu. This will open up a range of options where you can customize various features of your workspace. Once you're in the settings, the next thing to do is select Layout. This option allows you to modify how your information is displayed within Notion. It's in this section that you can shift between different viewing formats like lists, tables, and in our case, the board format, which is perfect for adding groups. Click on Layout to proceed. With the Layout menu now open, what you'll want to do next is select Board. A board view is particularly popular because it enables you to visualize your tasks or information as cards and columns, a bit like a digital pinboard. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple projects or subjects and want a bird's eye view. Just click on Board to make this your chosen format. Now that you have your board view set up, the final step here is to add your new group. On your board, there should be an option labeled New Group. This is usually found near the top of your screen on the board itself. Click on New Group, and a new column should pop up on your screen. You can now name this group whatever you wish, whether it's a project name, category, or any other label that makes sense for what you're organizing. And there you have it. Your new group is now part of your Notion board. You can move tasks into this group and start organizing right away. Remember, you can always go back and edit, add more details, or modify your board as your needs evolve. Notion is all about flexibility, so feel free to experiment and adjust as you go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy exploring the possibilities of managing your tasks with Notion's groups.